Welcome back to another episode of School Stuff, where I do tutorials on how to do stuff from school. Today I'll be talking about dimensional analysis. Dimensional analysis is used whenever you want to convert units to another unit. For example, if you want to convert centimeters to inches. Let's start out with that first. So, we know that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. Well, 2.54 centimeters is also equal to 1 inch. These two are called conversion factors. If you want to convert from inches to centimeters, you would use this first conversion factor. If you want to convert from centimeters to inches, you would use the second conversion factor. You want to convert 17.2 inches into centimeters. Well, first, write out 17.2 inches as a fraction. 17.2 inches over 1. Now, you want to get from inches to centimeters. Now, there are two conversion factors we can use. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters, or 2.54 centimeters is equal to 1 inch. They both will get you different answers. So, you see how there's inches up top. You want to change that to centimeters. The only way you could change inches to centimeters is if you cancel out inches and have centimeters. So, what I mean is, which one will get rid of inches and replace with centimeters? This one or this one? You would use this one because if you write this out, see how inches is up top and bottom? You always multiply with dimensional analysis and inches cross out. What's left is centimeters. Now, with your handy dandy calculator, do 17.2 times 2.54, and your answer should be 43.688. Without, this number is not considering sig figs. With sig figs, you would see that this has 3 sig figs, this has 3 sig figs. But since this is a conversion factors always have unlimited sig figs. So you would go to this one, which has 3, so your final answer should have 3. So this should be 43.7 centimeters. Don't forget your units. Now in this example, there are 2 units you have to change: miles per hour and kilometers in day. You want to change miles to kilometers and hours to day. Let's start out with writing 21 miles per hour into a fraction. 21 miles in 1 hour. This sign also means divide. So, you want to change this into kilometers per day. Start with one thing. Let's change miles to kilometers. There are 2 conversion factors for every change in unit. 1 mile is equal to 1.609 kilometers, and 1.609 kilometers is equal to 1 mile. So, which one will get rid of the miles and change it to kilometers? Remember that dimensional analysis is always multiplication. So, to get rid of miles, you need miles on the bottom. So 1 mile is equal to 1.609 kilometers. Now, miles cancel out, and all we have left is hours, which we need to change into days. Well, how many hours are in a day? Well, 24 hours is equal to 1 day, and also 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Which one will help you get rid of the hours and change it into days? Well, we need to get rid of hours, so we need hours on top. So 24 hours is equal to 1 day. get rid of the hours, and see how kilometers is on top and days on the bottom, and that's what we need. With your calculator, you could figure out what this all equals. You would do 21 times 1.609 times 24. And your answer should be 810.936 kilometers per day. Now, this is not including sig figs. If you want sig figs, see how this is a conversion factor, and also this. Conversion factors out of unlimited sig figs, so you would not count them when you're determining your final sig figs. You would use 21 miles for your sig figs. So 21 has 2 sig figs. You need 2 sig figs at the end then. So this 810.936 kilometers would eventually become 810 kilometers per day. Don't forget your units. Suppose you have a 1,273 milliliter jar of mayo. How many deciliters in cubic centimeters is that? Well, start out with writing 1,273 milliliters as a fraction. 1,273 milliliters over 1. So now you want to change it to deciliters. Well, we know that 1 deciliter is equal to 100 milliliters, and also 100 milliliters is equal to 1 deciliter. They are both the same thing, but can be used different ways. Now, you want to change milliliters to deciliters. You want to get rid of milliliters and change them to deciliters. How would you do that? Well, you need milliliters on the bottom to cancel it out, so you have 100 milliliters over 1 deciliter. Just this one. And now you could do the math, and with your calculator, you could do 1,3 divided by 100. That will equal 12.73 deciliters. This number already has the correct sig fig. Remember, this is a conversion, so that's unlimited sig fig. This number is what you use to figure out how many sig figs you have. So this has 4, and this also has 4, and that's it. How do you want to change 1,273 milliliters into 60%? Well, first write out 1,273 milliliters over 1. And then you need to change that into centimeters cubed. Well, 1 centimeter cubed is equal to 1 milliliter, and 1 milliliter is centimeters. So how do you get rid of milliliters and change it to centimeters cubed? Well, you need meters on the bottom, so 1 milliliter is 1 centimeter cubed, which, without even using a calculator, should be 1.23 centimeters cubed. And sig figs are already with that. These are your 2 answers. That's all for this episode of School Stuff. Remember to subscribe and like this video, and leave comments for any future videos you want me to do relating to any subject in school. Thanks for watching.